PCB manufacturing, components, and enclosure procurement, assembly and testing. From quick-turn prototype to high-volume fabrication, our associated factory with 227 professional assembly employees, 4 production plants with different scale and product types, and ISO 9001 certification. We are able to manufacturing 1 to 58-layer rigid PCB, 1 to 6-layer flex board, 2 to 10-layer rigid flex circuit, and 1 to 2-layer aluminum PCB. From FR4 to HDI board, 24 to 48 hours quick turn sample is supported. Long-term partnership with our locally regional component suppliers, our professional sourcing team help customers lower costs, shorter lead time, and lower components risks. With 32 machines of Sony SMT lines, our daily assembling capacity reaches 8 million placements. FS Technology has served 5,000 international customers in 50 countries. We're looking forward to building a more convenient and intelligent future seamless with you.